In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to locate your account reference number in your app, step by step, so you never have to worry about not knowing it when you need it. Start by opening your app and looking for the menu icon. Tap on it, and it will open a list of options related to your account and app settings. From this menu, select Settings. This is where all the personal and account-related options are kept. Once you're in Settings, look for My Account and tap on it. This section contains all your account information, including personal details and account preferences. Now, in the My Account screen, swipe down to find the Account Details section. This is where your account reference number is displayed. It's usually clearly labeled as account number or reference number. Take note of it or save it somewhere secure if you need it for transactions, support inquiries, or any official purpose. Knowing where your account number is can be really helpful for things like verifying your identity, contacting customer support, or linking your account with other services. It's a simple process once you know where to look, and now you won't have to waste time searching through menus. So remember, Menu, Settings, My Account, swipe to Account Details. That's how you find your account reference number quickly and easily.